Hi children, welcome back to the lesson Simple Machines. In Simple Machines, we are discussing about different simple machines like lever, inclined, level, pulley. We completed these two, and inclined plane or surface, and also it include screw and as well as wheel and axle. Okay, so here we are in the inclined plane surface, right? So as per the previous example that we discussed, if you want to load something into the van, it become very difficult to us to lift the material up to there. Okay, whereas by using an inclined plane we can able to load the material easily. From one place to another place, from bottom to top. Easily we can able to lift the weight or we can push the weight. Here inclined plane, it makes our work easier, means it increases the force. And happily you can able to make it lift. You can able to, instead of lifting, उठाने से बगैर आप पुश कर सकते हो उसे. उठाना बहुत मेहनत का काम है, पुश करना इजी रहता है, पुश या पुल करना इजी रहता है. इसलिए we use inclined surface. Inclined surface, it is also can be seen in the hospitals. In hospitals we have seen inclined surface beside the steps or stairs. यहाँ सीढ़ियाँ रहता और बाजू में एक रैंप बोल के रहता है. रैंप is nothing but an inclined plane which reduces our struggle. For example, some people they are unable to climb the stairs, so such kind of people they simply walk on the ramp. आप सुना होगा रैंप वॉक बोल के, right? In this ramp they have the inclined plane. Even in cinema theaters also they make inclined plane to move up, right? Here we use inclined plane, and as well as inclined surface is used in different conditions. In moving objects easily. Do you know, here by keeping inclined surface, the work means, for example, if there is a heavy vehicle, say there is a harvester machine. Imagine there is a harvester machine, and this harvester machine, it has very high construction, very heavy vehicle it is. Now you have to put the heavy vehicle into this van. Then what we are going to do it jumps into the van? No. खुद का खुद जंप करके उसमें बैठेगा? नहीं. जाने दो, लिफ्ट करके बैठा सकते हो उसमें? नहीं. फिर कैसे चढ़ना इतना ऊपर? Simply by keeping inclined plane. So listen here, inclined plane. When this inclined plane, the slope, we call it as slope. Here, longer the slope make work easier. Longer the slope makes the work easier. समझो, अगर स्लोप लॉन्ग है देन वर्क इजी से हो जाता है. अगर यही स्लोप ऐसा है, समझो, इट इज हार्ड और नॉट? to pull or push, it become very hard. So shorter slope can make you hard work. Shorter distance of the slope makes you hard work, whereas longer distance of the slope make you easy work. जब स्लोप लॉन्ग रहते हैं ना वो easy से चढ़ पाते. For example, bridges. Here and there you have seen flyovers. The flyovers actually it requires the elevation here. It requires the elevation here, but the road construction do not take place like this. They take the elevation from here. They take the elevation like this in the flyover. If you construct sudden height, it become very hard to move the vehicles. Whereas here it is very easy to move, isn't it? In second case that I am drawing with the pink one, easily the vehicles can move. It can it can go up and get down. Whereas if you construct the flyover like this, then the vehicles they are unable to climb easily. They are able to climb easily. It need effort, बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. गाड़ी खराब भी हो सकता है. कंट्रोल भी we are unable to control the vehicle. ये पीछे आ सकता है. इसलिए जैसा स्लोप बहुत रहता है वैसा इजी काम रहता है. जैसा स्लोप बड़ा रहता है छोटा रहता है वैसा काम मुश्किल रहता है. Right? If the slope is shorter, we need to do hard work. If the longer slope is there, we need not to do hard work. Easier. The work become easier. This is about inclined surface. Inclined surface. Right? Have you understood? It also included as a simple machine. This is about a simple machine called inclined surface. Inclined surface. Next come to actually inclined surface, it increases the pressure also. Do you know that? It increases the pressure. For example, axe. Do you know axe? By which we'll cut the by which we can break the material. Here it has the V-shaped ending. We have V-shaped ending. So inclined surface of them make easier to do the things. Not only this, even knife also made up of inclined plane from the both the side. Okay. Next come to screw. Have you seen the screw? Nut bolt screw कहते हैं. देखो. This is the normal iron nail. This is normal iron nail. This is normal iron nail. Right? Whereas another type of screw is there. Here in which it have threads. Right? इसमें threads रहता है. It will be like this, right? So समझो अगर ये वुड में मैं नेल मारना चाह रहा हूँ तब मुझे हार्ड वर्क करना है कि जब ऐसा वाले नेल इस्तेमाल करें. Whereas if I use the screw with the help of screwdriver, I can fit easily and it holds the wood with grip, with higher grip. ये इस तरह का नेल कहते हैं इसे. इस तरह का नेल अगर थोड़ी कोशिश किया तो निकल जाएगा. Whereas if you insert the threaded nail screw into the wooden one, you are unable to to take it out easily because it holds the threads that are given here. They holds the item strongly. It won't come out easily. Right? Here, if you observe this, simply if you take the slope here, it seems like this. So this area is the slope. Its slope is this much. Whereas actually it is also inclined plane. It works under principle inclined plane. Now see, एक कागज पे ऐसा एक स्लोप लो इसका नॉर्मल नेल का। अब ये पेपर लेके इसको पूरा व्रैप करो, इसका पूरा व्रैप करो। व्रैप करने के बाद एंडिंग में आपको ऐसा आ जाएगा। सो छोटी सी स्लोप, इसका मतलब ये है कि कई स्लोप्स मिलके रहते हैं इसमें, स्क्रू में कई स्लोप्स इसमें रहते हैं। मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल it is a mountain region. If you construct a road, how it would be? It would be like this, sloped roads, and again you get the slope like this. So here also there is inclined plane in the screw, which can be run by the screwdriver. पता है क्या आपको? Screwdriver. By using screwdriver we can fit the screws, right? And even we also use the nut bolts to fit it with the help of what you call pana बोलते हैं देखो, right? You can fit the nut also, right? So this is the use of screw. And by using screw, for example, I will listen screw jack. By using screw jack, even you can able to lift by rotating the handle of it. Even you can able to lift a car. You can able to lift a car. कार को भी आप उठा सकते हैं एक स्क्रू को यूज करके। ऐसा सिनेमा में देखा होगा ना, नहीं तो रिपेयर करने के बाद जो कुछ भी रिपेयर कहते हैं ना, ये स्क्रू जैक को यूज करके थ्रेड्स रहता है उसमें, उसे यूज करके ये ऑटोमोबाइल को ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं very easily by using single hand. I have seen the Parle-G advertisement. The boy says I can lift the car by one hand. By using screw jack, you could able to lift even heavy material larger than car simply with using single hand. That is the specialty of this screw. Inclined plane. Even some people they use inclined plane for different purposes. For example, noodles, Indian noodles, रसीला रहता है, स्वीट बनाते हैं इंडियन नूडल्स से, right? So that machine also have the slopes. When you rotate it, they become noodles. The dough becomes noodle. So here are many works, many simple machines, they work upon the screw. Right? I hope you understand what is inclined plane and screw. These two are simple machines which are very useful in our daily life. We use them in many places in our life. So these are looking simple, but these simple machines make our work easier. Can you able to lift the car with your hands? No. Whereas by using screw jack, easily you can lift the car. Okay? Like this, we can use many simple machines in our life. I hope you understood this lesson, and will continue the remaining lesson in the further class. Thank you.